Welcome to Unity, welcome home. My name is Kimerie Mapletoft. I'm the Director of Silent Unity and Daily Word in the UK and leader of our activities that we undertake here at Unity Maidenhead. We're delighted that as lockdown now eases, we can meet again in person, but of course we do so with wisdom, so that as we prepare to come together at our first in-person retreat for nearly 2 years, we're really looking forward to being together in person. But we'll still, of course, practice wisdom in how we come together so that we can enjoy the time shared and really dive more deeply into the expression of God here with us as our love and truth and peace. So in all that you are, whatever you are doing, you may like to affirm for yourself, I am one with the radiating light and life of God, expressing through me and as me, as wisdom, love, peace, joy, wholeness, truth. I am one with the radiating life and light of God, expressing in and through and as me, as whatever is right and truthful for you. And let us take that information out into the world for those around us, to know that also that this is truth for everyone whom we connect with, everyone whom we hold in our hearts and in prayer, that we are forever one with the radiant life and light of God. And know that as we come together in person and continue our online activities with God, all is well. God bless you all.